Top focus is from Mumbai. Even as Uddhav and Raj Thackeray are engaged in a war of words, activists of their respective parties clashed on the streets outside the Mumbai collector's office. The party workers from both the sides pelted stones and threw soda bottles on each other. The police had to resort to lathi charge to disperse the crowd. Both parties blamed each other for initiating the violence. The Shiv Sena South Mumbai candidate Arvind Sawant and the MNS candidate from South Central Mumbai Aditya Shirodkar reached the Mumbai collector's office at the old custom house to file their nomination forms. That's when this entire incident took place. Well, so that's the latest coming out from Mumbai. Clashes that were witnessed outside the office where the nominations were being filed both by the Shiv Sena as well as the MNS candidates from South Central Mumbai. As far as the Shiv Sena is concerned, it's Arvind Sawant, and from the MNS, it's Aditya Shirodkar. And the clashes took place outside the old custom house in Mumbai. Our correspondent Devesh Nair now joins me live from Mumbai. Devesh, does this incident have anything to do with Raj Thackeray's comment on Uddhav Thackeray and Bal Thackeray earlier yesterday?
Well, absolutely. That seems to be the situation where the stage has been set off earlier with Raj Thackeray's comment, where he actually went forward in saying that the Balasaheb Thackeray, the food for Balasaheb Thackeray during his last days did actually went from Krishna Kunj. And today what happened, whether MNS candidate from South Mumbai as well as the Sena candidate from South Mumbai had gone to file their nomination paper, and both of them just came in front of each other with their supporters, and that point of time sparked the kind of riot that we saw today, and both the party workers were just throwing bottles at each other. So clearly the kind of situation that we see today has already been started by their respective party leaders. Now we need to wait and watch. Today Raj Thackeray is addressing a rally in Mumbai, as well as Uddhav Thackeray has called for a press conference. We just need to wait and watch what kind of mudslinging would happen once again between the cousins. Back to you.
Absolutely. As the poll race is heating up, so are the tempers as far as Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray are concerned. But also to tell our viewers, MNS chief Raj Thackeray, who is locked in an ugly war of words with his cousin Uddhav, has made a very shocking allegation against him. While speaking at a rally in Mumbai, Raj Thackeray claimed that his uncle and former Shiv Sena chief Bal Thackeray had not been served a decent meal in his final days. Raj Thackeray claimed that when he visited the now deceased leader at his home, he found him eating just 2 small potato vadas. He claimed that Bal Thackeray told him he ate whatever was given to him.
दोन बटाटे वडे आले एवढेशे बाळासाहेबांच्या समोर थकले होते, आजारी होते, आणि एवढेशे 2 बटाटे वडे आले. म्हटलं आम्ही बोलताना एकमेकांना अरे तुरे मध्ये बोलायचो. तो म्हटलं अरे काय खातोस तू? हे तेलकट असले बटाटे वडे कसले खातो? काय करणार म्हणे, हे येतं समोर माझ्या.